Well, there it is apart. My Extreme. I've got a new tyre to go on, heavy duty tube, and new bearings. Hopefully all good to go by Wednesday night. Tyre looks pretty good. Well, I got the cover off the motor, and there's the bearing. I've cleaned it up a little bit. It was pretty good. So I've got the new bearing to go on, and I've got the gear puller to pull it off. Looks like it should come off pretty easy. I made this little bracket here just to push in there, so it's going to push on there and pull off there. So hopefully it all works. I'll see what happens. That was so easy. Pulling down the shaft for it to go on. Just warming up the cover, so it comes off a bit easier. Expanding it a bit. Yeah, so I've got to get this off and off, so that means I've got to disconnect that, take it out of there so that I can slide that off, get that bearing out, put the new bearing on. Now, I believe what you've got to do is disconnect the batteries, unhook the batteries, and then turn the power on to discharge any power still left in the unit before I disconnect this. Is that right? Can you give us a heads up on what's going on? Well, I've disconnected the 4 batteries, and then I turned the power on to discharge any power, and that was all good. And I was able to disconnect this, but rather than rather than try and pull this all out and put it back in again, I can see it's been squashed in the back here. It wasn't fitted really good. So I'll try and redo that, make sure it's sealed, but to get this out of there is very, very difficult. So in the end I just went, no, I just cut it out. So made it easier. I didn't have to pull the rest of the bloody seal out, because I think it'd be very, very hard to get back in again properly. It's probably going to be a challenge. Being heated up. Just going to chuck it on there in a sec. Really trying to cool it down so it gets on there, because it's quite thick, it seems. Heating that one up, cooling that one down. Well, I managed to persuade it on a lot easier. Just tapped it down around there like that. Well, it's coming back together. Only got 7 bolts on this side and 8 bolts on the other side. Yeah, so it's not really that much. You just got to undo these bolts here, slide it out and take it away. Oh, you've got to unhook the wire as well, but you can work on it. Yeah, I've got one pedal back on, the other one on, and do up those motor nuts or bolts, and then put the top back together. Put the saddle back on. It's a little platform. New tyre is on. It's all coming back together. And now, just gonna whack this up there. That's them out. Beautiful. Yeah, all back together, ready to go, calibrated. Take it for a test drive, I think.